Welcome to the Tech House channel. On this channel, we will review coins, projects, and many other things related to the crypto field. So if this is your first time watching our channel, subscribe now.
Hello, my friends. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we're going to get to know this platform, so stay with me until the end of the video. All right, my friends. If we head over here, we see a section for users. We can see the memberships, the tournaments. Okay, we'll come back to this later. Here, my friends, it clearly tells you about investing in a straightforward and understandable way. And here's where you register. You can open an account using your Gmail account, for example, and you can also link directly with Facebook. From here, my friends, you can change the language, as you can see with me. Of course, just choose the language you want from this section. Here, my friends, we see that the interface is clear. Here it tells you there are more than 140 assets. And here it says the transactions are safe, licensed, and regulated. Of course, my friends, just a note, I'm not giving any investment advice and I'm not a financial advisor. So, my friend, you should always do your own thorough research. And of course, in this field, you could lose your entire capital. So be aware and keep learning. Learn. That's what I have to say to you. Of course, my friends, as we can see here, that's 3,500,000. Here, that means traders from more than 130 countries. Okay? Of course, as you can see here with me. Here, my friends, we see a platform specifically designed to meet users' needs. Explore the market at your own pace. Start now from here. Here, the rating is 4.8. Here, my friends, of course, we have an interface. We see that the interface is easy to use. It works exactly as you'd expect, as you can see with me. Here, of course, we find the place for buying and selling, going up and down, and so on, as we can see here. Here, my friends, we see that, of course, it tells you here to start trading. Here, there are more than 140 assets to explore. We also see here, my friends, IPM, PayPal, Visa, and many, many more. Here, you have everything you need on one platform, meaning the highest levels of security for funds and transactions. And trading is clear, with no hidden fees. And of course, my friends, we see here that it tells you to learn from the experts. That is, study successful investment strategies and apply them to your daily routine. Of course. Here, my friends, we see that you can trade wherever you are, and so on. You can get their app on Google Play or the App Store, as you can see with me. And here, there's also the web version, meaning you can browse their website as well. Of course, my friends, we see here that it says you can deposit and withdraw using local payment methods, as you can see with me. And there's more. Here, my friends, it says licensed and regulated. Here, it tells you that millions of users have put their trust in us. And here, of course, there are reviews and so on from different countries. Also, my friends, it says join more than 3.5 million investors who use this platform. So, of course, my friends, as you can see with me, here we naturally see their social media accounts. And also here, my friends, we see a section dedicated to users. Here are the memberships. This section is specifically for memberships. Just a moment, my friends. As you can see here, my dear friends. Okay, let's go back to this section. All right, there are also tournaments in this section. Of course, in this section, we can see the tournaments, as you can see with me. These are coming up soon, as you can see, my friends. We also have information like the client agreement, the policies, and these kinds of things. Also, there's the copy trading agreement, meaning the specific agreement for that. Of course, we start learning about the platform from here. And here, if you have any problem or anything, you can talk to them about verification, about, for example, withdrawals, about the app. So just choose the topic and talk to them directly. Okay? And now, my friends, we've reached the end of the episode. Goodbye. See you in the next episode.